Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to create tasks in Zoho Project, the full 2025 guide. First, log into your Zoho Project account and navigate to the project where you want to add a task. This is important because each task in Zoho Project is associated with a specific project. It's where you'll find all the details and updates about your ongoing tasks. Next up, once you're inside your project, locate the tasks and milestones. Clicking on this tab will open up a comprehensive view of all your tasks and milestones. The reason we do this is to ensure that we're adding our new task in the right place and can easily find it later. Now that we've done that, let's add a new task. Look for the Add Task button, usually located at the top right corner of your screen. Once you click that, a form will open up. This is where you'll input all the necessary details of your task. Let me explain why this matters. A well-defined task with a clear deadline, description, and assignee can significantly improve your team's productivity and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Fill out the task name, description, assignee, and due date. Each of these fields is crucial to making your task actionable and trackable. The task name should be concise but descriptive. The description should provide any additional details required to complete the task. The assignee will be responsible for carrying out the task, and the due date will keep everyone on track with deadlines. Once you've filled out all the details, hit the Add Task button again. This helps us because it saves the task, assigns it to the chosen team member, and shares the due date with everyone involved. And just like that, you've created a task in Zoho Project. Remember, the key to successful project management is clear, actionable tasks and ongoing communication. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.